Please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon button, like, comment, and share.
For different people. So what we've developed is we've developed the 10-tap system of programming to put multiple flashlight modes into each light. So for example, if you want a flashlight that does high, strobe, and low in program 1, you can leave it just where it's set from the factory. If you want it to do high only, no strobe, no low feature, 10 taps on the switch, hold it down on the 10th, moves it to program 2, which in this light, for example, would be high only. Again, for program 3, 10 more taps, hold it on the 10th time, the flashlight would go low to high as far as output. Streamlight offers different 10-tap programming options for different models of lights. Please refer to your owner's manual or the instruction booklet for what the option is for your particular light. So for this particular light, it comes in a factory default setting in program 1 of high, strobe, and low. So the first activation of the button, the first bump, is high. 1, 2 would be strobing. 1, 2, 3 would be low. If you want to lock it in, you press it the rest of the way and click the switch, and it'll click and lock on in low, strobe, wherever you want to leave it. To change the program from 1 to 2, it's going to be 10 bumps. Holding it on the 10th, the light will flash and go off to tell you that it changed program. Then for this light, it will be high only. One trick that I've found is if you're doing the 10-tap programming, if you slide your thumb up over the back of the light, it's much more difficult to click it on and have to start the programming over. So it's just bumps, holding it on the 10th. So now the light goes off. It's in program 2. High only. Won't strobe, can't get it to low. It's click it on or off. That's where it's set. 10 taps again, we'll take it to program 3. Goes low, goes off, tells you that it changed programs. Now it's going to be low on the first bump. 1, 2, we'll set it to high. Then you click it and lock it on if that's what you want.
Thanks for watching. Product buying links are given in the video description.